Mr. President, and you must ask for explanation of this. In December 7, this regime, Bola Tinubu administration, gave out 135 billion naira to governors.
Biano kono ofotu Tinubu na ndị Nigerian politicians wee lee Nigeria wele gị tie n'akpa. Anyị nwa nọzọ na tasọ afọ. Mpa faz nke na-eti egwu Femi Falana. Kono ofotu si wee dosa exp0se ihe gbasara Tinubu gọọmenti. Otu fasi wee wele ego obodo a na-eki ya kono nwere ya ọ bụ. Ekechia ya abịa na-agwa ndị Nigeria ka ndị Nigeria fa nwee ndidi. Anyị amaghị that na ndị elego obodo a wele ego ya kesa tie n'akpa. Anyị nọ na-eche ihe ga-adị mma. Wọcha nụ vidiyo akụ n'ụfụ ihe mpafazi kwuru gbasara ọ na-esi eke ego akụ n'onwe ozi ya ọ bụ. Obodo anyị anọ na-anwụ. Daalụkwanụ.
Mr. President, and you must ask for explanation of this. In December 7, this regime, Bola Tinubu administration, gave out 135 billion naira to governors to fight COVID-19 in 2023. Do you know what I'm talking about? Last December, they gave out 123 billion. To 135. You can go to fight COVID-19. Furthermore, and this must be our demand from here. This regime must, and if we have to go to the street, it's so fundamental. This regime must, comrade, must.
Yes.
We are housed the gains of the removal of fuel subsidy and channel it towards alleviating the poverty of our people. What I mean is this, again you can Google. In April last year, what the three tiers of government, the federal government, the state government, and local government shared was 655 billion naira in April. When subsidy was removed, right? First subsidy. Since June, according to the Minister of Finance, you can Google, whatever. There's no month that less than 1 trillion has been shared. As a matter of fact, you can quote me on this. In June last year, what they shared was 1.9 trillion. They were embarrassed when they got to Abuja. Where did this money come from? What are you doing? They had to save 900 billion and shared, please, and shared 1 trillion in December last year. You know the governors came to Lagos to celebrate with Governor Bola Tinubu, President Bola Tinubu. Are you aware?
Yes.
That month, what was shared was 1.7 trillion. That is apart from the 135 billion I just told you about. So if anybody tells you Nigerians must sacrifice because there's no money, tell them what they are saying is but push it. So what we should be demanding, where are the gains of subsidy removal? Do you understand me? When we have a situation like this, a little situation under Abacha, as bad as Abacha was, he set up what we call the BTS. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
The gains of fuel increase then was kept and used to address infrastructural crisis in the country. So this time around, we are demanding for our right because what they told us, all of us, subsidy is gone. I mean, they said the gains of subsidy will be used to address the problems of unemployment, of insecurity, of food crisis, and so on and so forth. But today, the people have been forgotten. These National Assembly people who are pretending in the last few days, senators called, the managers of the economy, House of Rep called them, and they addressed the price. That we want to help the poor. Let the poor breathe. These ones, please, each of them in Abuja, including those who had no bicycle before they went there, gave themselves a 160 million naira jeep, each of them.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I'm going to try and challenge you, comrades. The budget of National Assembly this year was 178 billion naira. The National Assembly members themselves rewrote the budget and raised it to 344 billion. And they pretend, that we have to suffer together. We understand your pain. We are addressing your problem.
Liars.
It is a lie. Unless you demand for your rights, nobody will give you your rights.
Yeah.
I think Falana made the point.
Yes.
Nobody, human rights not my property. Nobody can dash me. So we must end this with a commitment to mobilize our people to demand for their rights.